Let's chat about momentous moments and increasing the moments in which we have consciousness and awareness. Now we'll find, moving through the day, that there are many situations and moments of our day that we are asleep inside. And one of the values in a basic meditative mindfulness type practice is that you can start to wake up inside of these moments. Now, for some, maybe this is paying attention while you wash the dishes and, feeling the water and looking at the shine of the soap bubbles and all that stuff. But that's one place you can start with it. There's much that can be done, though, when it comes to observing life-alterable lessons in the minutiae of day-to-day interactions. And this is really where a big part of the awareness, these momentous moments, this increase of our awareness of these slices of time and space can affect us, because we start to enter the school of life, so to speak. Okay? And as we start engaging with this school of life, we can really, there's a lot that can go on. I've had some phenomenal lessons, just trying to make sure, see if it's worth going down all the stairs. Some phenomenal lessons come out through little bits of feedback here or there you might get from somebody in any circumstance. And because you maybe have a more refined awareness of the energy of your own reactions and mentality, the energy is a really, really nice one, because that's something you can work with, different ways of releasing or connecting. You can get very direct feedback from people, and then you can work on it right away. So these slices of time, slices of space, these moments that we're able to unwrap and uncover in daily life can then alter the rest of our lives from that moment on. And this is a superb gift we can give ourselves through cultivating awareness and understanding of energy and perception. Awareness, perception, understanding of ourselves in relation to the energy of the environment, in relation to the energy in us, and also our relationship to the mindfulness of moments themselves, right? Both in space and as we pull apart time and space together. Okay, hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for your time. Practice. Bye.